we got to camp so early that we've got everything done as far as chores, and we were going to go talk to the ranger, but he wasn't in the ranger station. So this is like 3/10 of a mile from the ranger station. It's a loop called Laurel Falls Loop. So this is Laurel Falls. Not a ton of water, but at least there's some water flowing. There's STB. And that's the little climb that we had down the stairs to come here.
I'm trying to figure out how I can get down there and go swimming.
Yeah, I don't think it's allowed. And there was a sign that said no jumping into the waterfalls, so they're probably trying to do their best to keep us out of it. That's what he's doing. He's sitting in the water. But at least he's a good distance away from the edge, so that's good. So it's about 8 o'clock. The storm is really strong just to the north of us. We're just on the edge. We can hear the thunder. Of course, every time I start the video, it stops thundering. But we had dinner early because we knew this was a possibility. So we're just in the tent, enjoying listening to the rain. Well, storm moved just a little bit. It's a frog strangler, but you know, we got some doors closed and we've checking everything out. All looks good.
This one's open.
Oh, yours is still open?
Yeah, there's no rain coming.
Oh, okay. Well, we had to close both of mine, but sure did cool things off.
Yeah.
Camping in southern Tennessee.
Boom, boom.
Good morning from, where are we? Stone Door Campground. As you can see, we have exploded all over the pavilion. We decided to take advantage of this because last night, I don't know if the filming we did is going to actually work out, but a big line of thunderstorms dropped down. Oh, frog strangler. So anyway, we decided that we do have the opportunity to like spread everything out, dry it out. We're not going to always have that on even this trip, or definitely not on the AT, but it's worth having. Anyway, we think we brought way too much food, so we're kind of going through all that. Maybe going to leave some of it in the car because, you know, we don't need to come out here and just eat the whole time. So anyway, good morning from Stone Door.
Woo!
So we have made it to the infamous connector trail. Been on trail for an hour because, you know, that stuff's slippery and we don't want to die. So we took our time. Right as we got to the trail, we forgot to tell you, we ran into this couple that lives around here, and she was hauling hiney coming off the trail because she had just stepped over a copperhead. So yeah, when you're out here, you got to look where you're stepping. It's hot, and hopefully we can get to Hobbs before.
She was mortified.
Yeah, she was mortified. She said mortified like 18 times. But anyway, it's pretty. It's just human. And we've seen only caterpillars and slugs. So no snakes in our future. But this is the way we went last time we took you down here. And now we're going that way. So off we go. Made it to our first bridge. As you can see, we are doing a lot of rock hopping. And they are slippery from the rain. But oh, there's a lot of deadfall too. We're getting there. Yeah, sometimes when we come through here, there's a waterfall. Rich told me I needed to hold on because it's really slippery. In case we don't use the GoPro footage, there's a really pretty spider web on the trail. Okay, so we just came over bridge number 2. And just in case anybody who's watching this is going to be coming out to South Cumberland, these bridges are treacherous right now. The mildew or whatever is super, super slick. So when you get on the bridge, be sure to hold on and don't die. Off we go. We're still got forever to go. So here we are, about ready to start the part of the connector trail that is Rich's nemesis. Man on the street interview. Sir, what do you think? How are you feeling?
I'm gonna kick his butt.
You going in this time, huh?
I'm ready.
He's ready.
I ain't playing.
Yeah, he's got his heat.
I'm
fueling up.
Got my juice.
Yeah, yeah. Humidity.
Oh.
117% probably. Yeah, yeah. You suppose?
It's not really all that hot. It's just the humidity's so high that it's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, this is the condition of the trail at the moment, which is...
Yeah, where's the trail?
Well, yeah. But at least it's not all boulders. But But yeah,
oh, they're coming.
They are coming. And so, Rich, what's the report
My favorite part, right here.
Man versus the connector trail?
Go ahead.
How much time left?
Maybe an hour, the most.
How many miles?
Maybe one, half a mile.
How many tears?
It's a river of tears.
Okay. Yeah, I'm ready to be there. We are sneaking up on what I call the escalator. The reason I call it the escalator is right after Rich had his nervous breakdown. I said there should be an escalator and there should be a tiki bar at the top. There are neither. So
I pre-ordered.
Did you?
Yeah.
Escalator, tiki bar?
Mai Tais.
Mai Tais. Oh no, I want a margarita, but okay, let's do it. Okay, here we are at the Crying Rock.
Maybe it.
I think it looks like it. Of course, they all look the same.
No. That's normally a water source up there.
Oh. Yeah, it's pretty dry around here, isn't it?
You guys should go up there and look.
Well, we've got that one when we get there. And there's always tadpoles. Frog's pond. So let's keep going. Okay, just in case none of the GoPro footage gets out tonight, because I may try to do a video tonight, we have ascended the escalator. It is raining. It is 9.2 miles and it's like 5:38, so we did fine. We got a little bit more to get into camp, but we took our time, and hopefully no one's using Hobbs Cabin. We can sit on their porch in the rain. Okay, so we can't go in the cabin, but how cool is this? I mean, it's like, I don't know if it's people really singing. It's like Gregorian chant. It's beautiful. This is the situation. Bleak. The spring, as usual, had frogs in it. We'll update you on the campsite situation, but my little drippy water is very little and drippy, but at least it doesn't have frogs in it. But we may end up having to drink frog water. We'll let you know. Oh, now I'm filming. We just got all our water out of the spring. Normally the spring runs pretty flowing down there and we could take a bath and everything, but it really has been dry. So we got enough to fill all our bottles and cook tonight, and now we're heading back to camp and going to set up the tent, hopefully before it rains again. So, turns out that the Gregorian chants is actually a very large group staying in the cabin and campsite 1. And we were supposed to be in campsite 2. Fortunately, there was cell phone service. Not that they aren't nice and the singing isn't beautiful, but there were other things that we weren't that happy about campsite 2. So we called the ranger station and asked if we could move to campsite 6. And we did move to campsite 6. And this is campsite 6. And it's actually quite nice. It has lots of chairs and wood, and so we're all set up. Thought it was going to rain, so we quickly threw up the tent and discovered, we're not sure how, that we lost one of our tie-outs for our ground cover, but fortunately Rich had some extra, so now we just have a green one, so we know what that corner is. So anyway, we got it all set up and we're all ready to duck and cover, and then it passed over. So here we are.
Here we are.
It never did rain, which is awesome.
It rained a little bit.
But not enough to make a mess.
10 drops.
Yeah, but then that also means it's a little warmer than it was last night.
Not terrible.
Yeah. But so anyway, we're just going to be in the tent, and I'm going to make an attempt to edit a little bit of this video. Sadly, so sadly, the GoPro is still a work in progress. The new clip stays in place. I'm just still struggling with figuring out what angle to put it at, and so it just, yeah, none of it was very good. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. But anyway,
Today was fun.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You go ahead, talk. I've just been battling.
I had more fun than a barrel of monkeys jumping across rocks. I was sweating so bad I thought I was peeing myself.
Oh
Yeah.
dear.
Yeah.
Well, that's
TMI there. Huh?
That's inarticulate.
That's how hot it was. It wasn't really hot. The humidity was stupid. It was crazy. Anyway.
Yeah.
Stay hydrated, Rich. It's very important.
It is indeed. So, speaking of hydration, we went back and got even more water. So we've been, cameling up.
Loves the frog pond water. Loves that.
Actually, even there, It tastes good.
After all that wine.
Yeah, it's a spring. It's just that, you know, we have to share it with the
So I told her,
frogs.
man, you need to get used to drinking some crap because all of it is, you know, sparkling spring water along the way.
Yeah, so there that is.
We are spoiled here at Cumberland, though. The water's fabulous here. Really, really, really good.
Frogs and all.
Normally.
Yeah. Happy 4th of July.
Yes.
Yeah, we had our fireworks last night, apparently, so.
That's craziness.
Indeed. Good night. So this is hilarious. We're out in the middle of the woods listening to a podcast. We can hear fireworks.
But again, Toronto, you're doing great, guys. Keep it up.
I wonder if we should try to go see them.
You got a little bit of time, but watch.